Are you struggling with an error that says you cannot access net.sf.ehcache.CacheManager? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into this issue and find a solution together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to implement caching in your project, only to be met with errors. It's a common hurdle many developers face. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user has been implementing ehcache in their project and has encountered an error stating that the class file for net.sf.ehcache.CacheManager cannot be found. They are confused because they have updated their dependencies to the new org.ehcache group ID. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? The issue arises because the ecache library has undergone changes, and the class you're trying to access has been moved. Understanding this transition is key to resolving the problem. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a pro tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To resolve the issue with the Cache Manager, the user should first ensure that they have the correct dependencies in their pom.xml file. Since ehcache has moved to a new group ID, it's important to include the right version. Next, the user should verify that they're not using any classes from the old package, net.sf.ehcache. This can lead to conflicts and errors in the project. Now, the user needs to update their cache config class. Instead of using CacheManager from the old package, they should use the new CacheManager from the updated library. Finally, the user should clean and rebuild their project to ensure that all changes are applied correctly. This can help eliminate any lingering issues. Fun fact, did you know that the original ehcache was created over a decade ago? It has evolved significantly since then, and keeping up with these changes can be a challenge. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to add a specific dependency to your pom.xml file. They suggest including the net.sf.ehcache library version 2.10.4 to resolve the issue with the Cache Manager class not being found. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check the official documentation for the latest updates on libraries you are using. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and get your caching working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.